Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to our inaugural AI and Machine Learning for Material Science workshop. As researchers and as scientists, engineers, we can easily imagine how artificial intelligence, machine learning is going to impact many different fields. But when we reflect the question inward, how will machine learning and artificial intelligence impact our own way of life in the laboratory, often it gets a lot murkier for us. We envision a scientific laboratory where the process of materials discovery continues without disruptions, aided by computational power augmenting the human mind and freeing the human mind to perform research closer to the speed of imagination rather than the speed of our resources, addressing societal challenges in market-relevant timeframes. So today's focus is really about primarily empowerment. Empowering you walk out of here with a feeling of accomplishment, that you have mastered the basics of machine learning code that we've provided. And the second is to celebrate local talent. There are many, many good things happening here within A-Star.
My name is Li Qianxiao. I'm a scientist at IHPC in A-Star. So today I'm going to talk about a very sort of simple and hopefully accessible introduction to some basic applications of machine learning methods to material science. So the question we want to ask and answer today, hopefully, is can we use data to complete this process?
My name is Renzo Kun, and call me Danny. I'm from SMART, Singapore MIT Alliance for Research and Technology. So today I'm going to give you a brief coverage on applying Bayesian inference to device diagnostics. The method I'm introducing in the Jupyter notebook is called successive subdivisions.
So I come from the background of chemical engineering. My name is Xiaonan Wang, currently assistant professor at NUS in Department of Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering. Start to talk about neural networks, which may be the eye-catching word. You will be interested to see what has new development here to use neural networks, especially deep learning for material science. So today we mainly talk about the supervised learning. So for supervised learning, we talk about how you classify different categories or how you do regression.
So what we want to do is to enable you to use all the code that we provided and at least try your hand out at this. And I will also show you the link to where the data is, so you can actually access this data, because data is key. Someone in the comments said it's your fuel to your rocket. That's true.
So thank you all for coming. It was tremendously gratifying. I really appreciate everybody coming today.